Hello, good evening. Okay, so I've got 3 flavors left. I have beef, bacon, and chicken. I kind of want to try chicken. So we're going to open up chicken now and give chicken a try. I'll get you open one way or the other. There we go. Finally got it open. All right. Ooh. Well, that way worked, I guess. All right. So here's what it looks like. Just like the other ones. There's a weird flavor in that. This is like, yeah, this is ground and then formed. So it's, again, not whole muscle. Just looking at them, I guess none of them are going to be whole muscle. They all look like they're going to be formed from ground stuff. I don't necessarily like the taste of this one. Of course, it's not bad, but it's not as good as the deer venison one. The venison one was really good. I like that one. It's a little bit on the dry side, but it's beef jerky. What do you expect? Let's give it one more try. I'm not taking not too small of bites, and not too big of bites. I guess the taste is, yeah, it's pretty good. No, maybe not. I don't know if I like this one. I'll have to let the family try that one. I don't know. This one doesn't really get me 2 thumbs up. It gets me maybe somewhere in here kind of thumb up, because I don't know, there's a flavor in it that I just don't like. I don't know my flavors very well. I'm not like Bobby Flay where I can like taste it and go, oh yeah, there's coriander in there. There's I can't do that. I don't have that kind of talent. I'm not talented in that way. But yeah, I would highly recommend at least the venison so far out of this Epic Bar brand. So far, that's what. But as far as chicken goes, yeah, I'm not a big fan of chicken. So I don't know. They did have a chicken that was in sriracha. I should have gotten that one, but I didn't. I thought, because I'm not a big sriracha fan. I mean, it's just pepper. It tastes just like pepper. I like Tabasco better, but that's just me. But anyway, yeah. So this one doesn't jive with me very well. But if you have tried it, let me know if you like it, or if there's another flavor that I don't have that you would like me to try. Okay, all right, bye.